Good Thursday morning, and thanks for logging on to your Aggie Land Carpet 1 forecast. I'm meteorologist Natalie Ferrari. We did have mostly cloudy skies build on in very quickly overnight, right before sunrise this morning, and that's why things were able to stay pretty humid and pretty warm this morning as well. But as we make our way through the rest of today, those temperatures are going to heat on up. But remember, conditions are also very dry out there, and we will have a bit of a breezy wind, so elevated fire danger will be a concern for today. We do want to update you, though, on current things, especially our burn bans and even some heat advisories. First, we'll start off with the burn bans. As of yesterday, Waller County now joins the rest of those counties highlighted in orange there as far as current burn bans across the Brazos Valley. So do be mindful of that over the next couple of weeks, as well as heat advisory for the rest of the week and into the weekend for Milam, Robertson, and Leon counties. This heat advisory actually starts at 1 o'clock this afternoon and now will last until Sunday evening. Temperatures are expected to push not only into the lower 100s, but heat index values could exceed 105 in the afternoon hours over those next couple of afternoons. So something just to be mindful of. The rest of us, though, still seeing very, very intense heat. However, not quite reaching the heat index criteria to which would issue a heat advisory for the rest of us. Doesn't mean, though, it's not going to be as hot. It actually will be, so still just be very mindful of that heat over the next several days. You can actually think high pressure, which is kind of hanging out all the way to the west. It's going to gradually build its way into west central Texas and central Texas by the weekend, and what that means for us is a whole lot more sunshine, and that's why temperatures are actually only going to intensify as we make our way towards the weekend. For today, though, aiming for right around 101 degrees in Bryan College Station, points up to the north and to the northwest, getting even hotter than that, not only for today, but again for your Friday forecast. If anything, you'll notice after waking up in the 70s, we pushed now towards 102. So it could actually be a degree warmer for your Friday forecast. By the weekend, through North Texas and West Texas, could be anywhere from about 105 to maybe even 110. So if your travel plans do take you out that direction this weekend, just be mindful, heat advisories in effect, and that heat will only be more intense out that direction, and it's only going to also continue to heat up for a whole lot of us here in the Brazos Valley. We do have a lot of humidity to work with, so that is why heat index values will still be a concern. Breezy winds coming in out of the south-southwest about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and there's nothing wrong with your screen there. Sadly, looking at a whole 7-day forecast full of triple-digit heat, lots of sunshine, very, very limited relief over the next several days. Of course, we'll be here in the Weather Center to keep you updated in case any additional heat advisories are going to be issued.